modern era where change is prevalent, indigenous culture and tradition struggles to thrive and maintain its place in this rapidly advancing world. This motivated Kensha Solano to initiate a training workshop for traditional performing arts of the Ibaloi people. Ms. Solano coordinated with indigenous and local government units to bring the workshop to Barangay Loakan proper, which is identified as a community with a high concentration of Ibaloi, the first settlers of Baguio. The workshop was open to everyone and anyone who was willing to learn the performing arts offered in the program, with most of the participants coming from Milan National High School, Loakan Elementary School, Alternative Learning System, as well as teachers and residents from the barangay of Loakan. During the first of the 3-day event, the participants were equipped in the proper use of traditional instruments and dances of the Loakan Ibaloi community. It featured instruments such as the solibao, kimbal, gongs such as kalsa and pinsak. The second day of training for the basic training on tayaw and sarong dance are common and sacred dances for the Ibaloi community during rituals. These are ceremonial circular dances performed in celebration of a successful harvest and community gathering. Due to the sacredness of these dances, in order for them to be featured in the training, permission, consultation, and approval from the Loakan People's Mandatory Representative of Loakan proper was conducted. For the final day of basic training, Mr. Benicio Socong, multi-instrumentalist and teacher from the University of Baguio, was invited to speak and teach the participants. He demonstrated on how to use the tongatong, a percussion instrument made of bamboo commonly used during house blessings. He spoke passionately about the importance of preserving our indigenous culture. To conclude the training workshop, a graduation ceremony was held to celebrate the accomplishment of 43 graduates of the program. Together with the guests, the 28 graduates who attended the ceremony danced the tayaw, sarong, and benjan dance. Indeed, with more events such as this that are centered on providing opportunities to disseminate awareness of modernization and its effect on indigenous culture, to enjoy a localized learning experience with fellow IP learners, and to inspire and promote a deeper understanding and appreciation of Ibaloi culture and heritage, the cultural practices, traditions, and values of indigenous peoples stand to have a promising future. Just as the graduates proudly declared, we do this to preserve our music, our culture, and our identity.